at the Great Country Farm. And we got the pigs, and I'm gonna feed one. Got some apple. Mmm. 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 All right. What? Look at this guy. This is Ooh, it stinks. Look at that queso right here. Look at this queso. Got all these quesos. Yeah. And all right. I got videos. Yeah. All the cow. Uh, got some.
Yeah.
Got the goats. Yo, what's goody? Yo. Oh, you know what? This goat's just chilling. Say hello. Yeah. This one too. Yeah. Hopefully you go famous. I'm eating some leaves. Yo, yo, yo. They got the chickens up here. See what they're about. Let's see what the chickens are doing. Huh? They're out here today. See what the chickens are doing. I should be getting a headband so then I could just, instead of me holding the phone, make the video easier to record and stuff. Got the chickens. Got the chicken. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Got them all up out here. Having a great time. Enjoying some food. How you doing? Yo, yo, yo. What do you think you're doing? Uh-huh. We got them out here. So cute. They all just out here. Not right now, not yet. No, I gotta make this video. What? Alright. What are you guys up to? I wanna touch one. I don't think you should though, but yeah, look. He's out of there. Weird. Alright. Goodness.